Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Crapaud is a small rural community in Prince County on the south shore of Prince Edward Island. It is located about 35 kilometers west of Charlottetown and about 20 kilometers east of Borden-Carleton, along Route 1, the island's main highway. The community has a population of about 400 people and serves as a local service center for the surrounding farming communities. Despite its small size, Crapaud has a long history and remains an important part of rural Prince Edward Island. The area has been home to the Mi'kmaq people for thousands of years. European settlement began during the late 18th century as farmers established homesteads on the island's fertile land. The name Crapaud comes from the French word for toad, although there are different stories about exactly how the community received its unusual name. Today, the name is one of the most recognizable place names on Prince Edward Island and often attracts the curiosity of visitors. Agriculture has always been the foundation of the local economy. The rich red soil surrounding Crapaud supports potato farming, grain production, dairy operations, and beef cattle. Prince Edward Island is internationally known for its potatoes, and many farms around Crapaud continue to supply both domestic and export markets. Farming remains one of the community's largest employers and continues to shape the surrounding landscape. Fishing also contributes to the local economy. Nearby coastal communities along the Northumberland Strait support commercial lobster fishing and shellfish harvesting. Although Crapaud itself is located slightly inland, many local families have connections to both farming and fishing, creating a balanced rural economy that has existed for generations. One of Crapaud's best-known landmarks is the historic Crapaud Exhibition Grounds. The annual Crapaud exhibition has been held for well over 100 years and celebrates the region's agricultural heritage. The event features livestock competitions, horse shows, local crafts, food, and family entertainment, bringing together residents from across Prince Edward Island every summer. It remains one of the province's oldest agricultural exhibitions. The landscape surrounding Crapaud reflects the classic beauty of Prince Edward Island. Rolling farmland, woodlots, rivers, and quiet country roads stretch across the countryside. Throughout the growing season, green fields contrast with the island's famous red soil, creating scenery that has become one of Prince Edward Island's defining features. During autumn, harvested fields and colorful forests add another layer of beauty to the landscape. Housing in Crapaud remains relatively affordable compared with many larger Canadian communities. Average home prices generally range between $300,000 and $450,000 depending on the property's size, age, and location. Rural properties with larger acreage may command higher prices, while older homes within the village are often available at lower price points. Today, Crapaud offers visitors an authentic look at rural Prince Edward Island. Its combination of productive farmland, agricultural history, scenic countryside, and friendly community makes it an enjoyable place to explore. Whether passing through on the Trans-Canada Highway or spending time discovering the surrounding region, visitors quickly experience the relaxed pace of life that continues to define this part of Prince Edward Island. Thanks for watching!